If you're a school-based SLP and you're looking for some resources on AAC evaluation, you might check out the Technology Resources section of the Special Ed Tech Center's website. There's lots of different resources here for communication, reading, and writing, but here on the communication page is a document called School-Based AAC Assessment. Let's look a little deeper. First off, we reference the NWACS blog for background information on special education and the process of acquiring AAC in the public schools. It's a great resource. The document reminds us that we're going to start with a team approach to AAC assessments. Who's on your team? Think about parents, other caregivers, related service professionals, paraeducators. First step is the communication assessment. Remember that it's less about the tool and the technology and more about the skills, the challenges, and the needs of the communicator. Guiding questions for consideration are listed, like what are the student's strengths? How does the student currently communicate? What's working well and what isn't? Remember the 3 prongs of AAC assessment. Indirect, such as partner interviews, direct assessment, like standardized assessments, which are listed here and linked, and observation in multiple communication settings and opportunities. Next, IEP teams meet. This is when you consider AAC as a team. You might use a tool like the SET framework, and you're discussing as a team the students' strengths and challenges as they relate to communication, and talking about features of an AAC device or a system that might be important for a student. Guiding questions that may come up include what modality or hardware would be best, what vocabulary or literacy elements. How does the student going to visually and physically access the system? Next, you jump into AAC trials. There's a lot to think about during this portion of the AAC evaluation. Customizing the device is so important for students. We may use photographs or familiar symbols. Remember, we want this to be motivating. One great part about this document is that many things are linked to help you learn more. Some guiding questions you might ask during this time is, does the system have all the features needed? Can the student access this system? Step 4, the team meets again. You might pull out that SET document and reset or look again at what tools were used during the trials and how it went, and if more information is needed. We hope this document is helpful for you as you evaluate AAC for your student in the schools.